Hey everyone, thanks for checking out today's video. In the shop today for tuning, I have a super clean Acura Integra that's boosted, and the guys from Escargot Boosted Garage have brought in their project car for tuning. So this should be a very interesting tune. It should make some good power. It's got some great parts on it. So Corey, can you go through the build with me a bit and tell us what's all in this build?
Yeah, for sure. So basically it's got a built B20 bottom end. It's got a CNC block guard, Ego rods, Malhe pistons, running 9:1 compression ratio. Running a Precision 6262 ball bearing turbo, injector dynamics 1000 cc injectors. The entire turbo kit was fabricated in-house by us at Escargot Boosted Garage. Shameless plug.
If you haven't checked out their channel, they have a channel where they've been going through all their builds, so I'll put the link in the description.
For sure. Yeah, so I'm excited. I hope it makes some good jam today.
Yeah, we should. It should make some good power. The wastegate spring is what, 10 pounds?
Yes. Yeah,
so we'll tune it, get it up and running on the wastegate spring, and then we'll start raising the boost and probably push it to about, I don't know, 18, maybe a little bit higher, and see what it can make. We don't have E85 here, so we're going to be running it on pump 94 today. We'll see how much it makes on pump 94. Anyways, let's get started tuning and see what it makes.
Perfect. 450 basically. 447.
Perfect.
That's perfect right there, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, all said and done. It turned out great. We ended up running about 18 pounds of boost peak. The wastegate and the boost controller combo kind of fed in boost around 16, and that slowly crept up to about 18 pounds at redline, which is about 81. We took it to about 81, 82, and we ended up making almost basically 448 horse and 315 torque. So that is some really good numbers considering these are GSR cams. I feel if this motor had a set of Type R cams, it would have effortlessly made into the 500s with the same amount of boost. So anyways, let me bring up the graph. So yeah, this is the graph at 18 pounds of boost. Peak horsepower basically right at 8,000, and peak torque at 64. And you can see it actually, even though we're actually creeping up in boost, we're actually losing a bit of torque because the cams aren't flowing as efficiently as they could, or as efficiently as, say, a set of Type R cams would. So I definitely think in the future a really good upgrade for this motor would be a set of Type R cams, or maybe something more aggressive like Pro 1s. We'd actually probably be able to make even more power at less boost. So anyways, this tune went super smooth. The setup is really nice and it made some great power. So I'm glad the guys were able to bring it by. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.